Is up, Clown Nation? Diecast Clown here at my old chill spot here. Well, first I got the finally got the 54th anniversary series. I got all 5. Number 1 of 5 is the 1949 Ford Pickup. Next we got the 1967 Austin minivan. It's finally made it to my area. Up next we got a Evil Twin. It's number 3 of 5. Up next we got the Pass and Gasser. It's number 4 of 5. And last but not least, you got number 5 of 5, the 1964 Chevy Nova wagon. Stopped at the at a Walmart on my way down here last night, and I got pretty darn lucky. Finally saw some new stuff that is not in any of the Walmarts or Targets around my house. First, I got this M2 1970 Ford F100 custom 4x4 Phantom. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but there's a couple guys to the right of me over here fishing. Let's see, up next I got the, I don't know why I picked this up, I just did, the Star Trek Enterprise. Actually, my son's gonna love it. I shouldn't have said it. I don't know why I picked it up. My one son is definitely gonna love this. These are out of the D case. I picked up some D case and I believe some F case as well. Yeah, this is F case, the Bone Shaker. Sorry guys, I'm gonna blow through these pretty quickly. Next I got a twin mill. Only reason I picked this up out of the D case was it is a regular treasure hunt. Everybody knows I'm not big on fantasy casting, but I do like the treasure hunts. Let's see, up next out of the F case, the Aston Martin Valhalla Concept. This is how the Hot Wheels screen time, number 6 of 10. This one I was definitely finally, I should say I was definitely glad to finally find it. The Dodge van. It's out of the D case. We all know that if it was the super treasure hunt, it would have went right there in the bay. Next, I got the F case regular treasure hunt, the 2017 Jeep Wrangler. I do like this one. Not usually big on the muddy tires, but it has the mud splashed up on the doors, so pretty nice casting. And this is a regular treasure hunt. Up next we got the La Troca. I do like this one. next, the 63 Studebaker Champ. Again, if this was the Super, it would have went right in the bay. I can't wait to actually just find one now so I could throw it in the bay, prove to you guys. Up next, we got the new for 2022 Lay-In Lowrider. It's nice. I do like this casting. It's different. I do like this next one too. The 2020 Corvette in the metallic blue. I believe this is, yes, it is a Super Treasure Hunt out of the F case. Again, if this was the Super, it'd be in the bay. I did pick up another one of these that makes two of those. I got one of the McLaren F1 Black version. Reuse rides. Everybody knows that Factory Fresh is my favorite out of the Hot Wheels series. Next we got the Toyota AE86 Torino red variation. Up next, I really do like this one, the 1970 Chevy SS station wagon. That's a very nice casting. I do like this one a lot. Very happy to add this to my collection. I think the metallic blue is sharp. Up next, we got the 1959 Chevy Impala. I didn't realize it, but picked up another La Troca. I did receive one of these from Trevor Samuda, but I did pick one up from a 1969 Chevy Pickup. Do you like that? And then next out of the F case, the 1976 Greenwood Corvette. Next, we got the 1971 Dodge Charger out of the Hot Wheels Art Cars. Definitely going to be doing a custom to this. It needs some front and rear tampo or detail, and the tampos definitely need to be removed. Up next, the 2019 Mercedes-Benz A-Class in the canary yellow. Not bad. Up next, got the Mighty K. One of Ryu rides in the pink. It was released in the white, I believe in the A case, in the white color. Up next, you got a Volkswagen Beetle. It's like that's a green with a faux wood on the side. Not bad. It was released earlier in a blue. Now we have it in green. This is definitely the one I was most excited about getting. The 1955 Chevy Bel Air Gasser Triassic 5 in the purple. The purple glass. It's the only one I was able to get. Let me know, guys, is there only one per case? Next, we got the 2020 Ram 1500 Rebel. I like that. Anybody that knows me knows I'm a truck guy, so I think this was well done. Very well. Nice casting. Bear with me, I'm just gonna put some of these away. I only got a couple more to show you guys. You got stuff everywhere. I couldn't turn this down even though I already have one. Actually, I got two that were sent to me from friends. But everybody that knows me knows I will not pass a Grand National. I won't pass one up. So I picked one up, another one up with the ramp truck. Do you like that? Actually, last year I was doing, actually a few miles down the road last year, I was doing a photo shoot with this and it fell into the bay. Next I picked up the 1949 Studebaker tow truck M2. This is a very nice casting. I like that color gray. And last but not least, probably one of my favorite scores from yesterday was this 1971 Chevy Camaro SS, the 396 in a black metallic Holly livery. Lift kit, or with the lift, and it's a kit with a couple different wheel variations and tires and two different engines. So that's about it. Peace out, Clown Nation. Very fortunate, guys. I'm very fortunate. I do not take it for granted. I get to enjoy this every weekend, during the nicer months, that is. And we opened up the beach house for good yesterday, so we'll be down every weekend from now through December. I'm very fortunate we get to do this. Like I said, I do not take it for granted. Haven't put my boat in the water yet, but we're getting there. Have a great day, guys.